We solved the problem that information has become spread out over many different repositories. Today, an industry company can have information at up to 300 different places. ContentMap connects to all the main storage spaces and provide a one-entry search that searches everything at once and present the information on like a map surface. We combine the world of Microsoft, where you organize information in different nodes, like in folders and archives and libraries, and the Google idea of indexing search. So our patents and our great ideas intersecting search with structure. And on top of this, we apply a new kind of deep learning AI, and we have a more effective feedback loop for training our AI than any other search engine today. With our first customers, we have found that we find information up to more than 350% faster than any other search engine. We find information that other search engine can't find, and we make 90% less mistakes. That's kind of the most important part for industry companies. Our go-to-market strategy is to sell to mid-level executives in industries. That's where we focus anyway. We have customers that are single users, knowledge workers, but that also brings the technology into medium-sized companies and large-sized companies. And we go into large-sized company, a small part at a time, and expand our business within these companies. Today, we sold to 30 rather big industry companies. It's really Fortune 500 who's who, and we sold for $1 million in revenues. When we have entered a company, we expand our business with services that we also add, because ContentMap is really suitable for organizing information, finding information real fast, finding sensitive information and business threats, and also to reduce cyber threats within companies. And this is something that mid-range executives and also C-level executives in smaller companies appreciate a lot. Our business strategy is to focus on enterprise sales. We do some outreach campaigns for knowledge workers, and then we pick up this and we continue selling within companies. We let partners carry our technology into main companies, and we had strategic partnership with companies like PricewaterhouseCoopers, for example, and KPMG. Yes. Our stage of development today is that we have our first product out. It has been refined many times with paying customers. And our plan for this year is to release a thinner client also on mobile devices, and also to connect to collaboration software. Today, we connect to the big ecosystems like Microsoft, Apple, Google, Salesforce, Amazon, Dropbox, and Box, and we connect them all together so that it will become very easy to find information and also move information in between different repositories. It doesn't really matter if it's a message, if it's a mail, or if it's a files. We can find all information at once and improve organization really simple on the map surface of ContentMap. And this is also our one of our unique parts is that besides of intersecting search and structure, it is to connect to all the ecosystems and let them carry us to our customers. Almost all customers are using either Microsoft or Google or Apple or Amazon ecosystem in some way. And here we provide the best search and the easiest way to manage information and find cyber threats. And our take in eliminating cyber threats is to remove them together with visualizing and managing user permissions. That's also something that's much easier in ContentMap than in any other system, as we heard of. And we can at the same time see where sensitive information resides at the same time as we can overlook and manage the user permissions of this part of the volumes.